Hey there, I'm Justin with Spencer Air Conditioning. When your home comfort is on the line, you don't need high pressure sales tactics or guesswork. You need a team that's been trusted in North Texas for over 65 years. At Spencer, our technicians are not strangers. Some have been with us for over 40 years. We believe in authenticity, clear communication, honest pricing, and service done the right way the first time. From the moment you call to the diagnosis to the repair, we want you to feel taken care of, not sold to. We're here to keep you and your home comfortable for every moment that matters. Call or schedule online and experience AC service the Spencer way.